एस बिट की नेट से पोएम्स मिली, वो बहुत क्यूट थी, तो मैंने उसकी 3 पोएम्स कंपाइल करी हैं। 3 पोएम्स पे मैंने इलस्ट्रेशन की। ये वाली पिग पे है, माई पिग वोंट लेट मी वॉच टीवी। ये देखो, ये मेरा फेवरेट पेज है।
ये तुम्हारा स्टाइल बेसिकली क्या है?
मैं कोलाज ऑन द कंप्यूटर, आई मीन ऑन फोटोशॉप।
ओके, कैन वी सी द अदर बुक्स?
या श्योर। दिस इज ऑन snake mistake. I wanted to make them interactive but I couldn't, so just I did it in a plain stuff. This is the second one, this is the third one. My dog is running faster. Oops.
करता है बच्चों को कि दूसरे बहुत दुष्ट लोगों से कैसे बचा जाए। एंड देखो,
everyone was doing a storybook. Mo could not succeed doing one storybook, so I thought of doing a calendar, zodiac calendar. So this is what I finally came up with. It's a illustration, collage illustration, and out of that, even calendar layout into which even the whatever is the sunshine, a bit brief information about the sunshine is there here. So this is how the whole calendar goes, and there comes a string आएगा, or you could hang it up just whenever you want to change. Just need to flip it back. How's that?
Awesome.
Thank you.
Yeah, the story was given by ma'am only, and it just has dialogues that run throughout the book, and that is why the book has spaces on the sides, and you can slide and have it look as if they're speaking their dialogues. One is speaking and one is silent. You can submit. And I've done photo colors, and I love those very bright, vibrant, free.
By Catherine Bigelow. It's actually an Oscar-winning movie. I thought I could just make this into a kind of a graphic novel type. Not exactly a graphic novel, but a pictorial book form of the same movie. So this is not the whole movie as such, but just the first scene. So this is how these guys come in and they talk and all. So I've given it a very rough texture, kind of it's happening in whole things happening in the backdrop of Baghdad. That's the location. So I've given it a very dry, kind of dry pastel kind of a look, handmade sketched form. So this is what I did. This was done for image representation technique module. Nina ma'am was the prof who guided us through this. And we've done it here. My
layout सही नहीं है, तो बहुत सारे कर
shooting this.
Story.
वैसे
Why is it to be continued?
Story is like this is wind which is called April wind. wind is somehow it's a magical wind. As it enters the city, it somehow turns all the adults into and as in everybody keeps their finger on their lips. It's that sort of a wind. And
I did a pop-up and it took a lot of time to try it and do experiments. And this is actually I did everything by hand only, binding and all the cut and paste. The story.
oh, you wrote the story?
Yeah,
And it is on?
it's about a small guy. He's looking for his cat, and child is given certain activities where he can find out the cat when he opens the cupboard. Even his daily activities are discussed, and after he's having breakfast and all those, and even the cat's characteristics are discussed. I mean, towards the story it develops and.
Can you tell us about इसके बारे में, बुक के बारे में?
Yeah, it's a story about the Vedanta Resource Company, which was mining in the Odisha, Nilgiri Hills, and there were lots of tribes who were getting displaced. So I thought there should be a novel on that. It's like bureaucratic, it's politics, and it's human rights, and lots of things are involved in it. So
I've done black and white illustrations, printed on metallic paper. That's it.
What's the
This is
story
my
about?
main character, Pingu.
Show the character.
Haina. Name is Pingu. And this is Golu Molu and their mother, Zoe.
Waves which keeps coming, and like children, they write their name in sand, and when the wave comes, it takes away the name with it. So it's about it only, like all children, they gather together and they write their name, all names. Waves take away all the names and they finally become little fishes. So it's happy story. So everybody writes their name so that they can see their name becoming fishes.
ये पोयम है भगवान महावीर और एक करंट डे शेफर भरवाड़ जो बोलते हैं गुजराती में, उसके बारे में। वो भगवान महावीर के पास जाता है, उसको बोलता है कि उसका एक चैप्टर आता है गुजराती टेक्स्ट बुक में, टेक्स्ट बुक में। उसके कारण उसके घर में क्या क्या होता है उस चैप्टर को लेकर, उसके बारे में वो भगवान को रिक्वेस्ट करता है, भगवान के साथ बात करता है। उसी के बारे में पूरी बुक है, गुजराती कविता, उसको मैं यहाँ शेयर किया।
The poem is called Gol Gol Sea. The poem was given to me. I started illustrating it. It was slightly difficult because I didn't know what the writer's intention was when he was, writing the poem. So it's a pretty loose-ended poem where it can be interpreted in different ways. Different people can see it in different ways. So it's a little abstract on the illustration also. It doesn't connect exactly to what it's saying. I enjoyed it. Okay. This is my book. And ये बुक जो मुझे बचपन में एक ड्रीम आया था, उसका ही पूरा स्टोरी बनाया।
चांद पे घर दिखे थे, ओके, चांद पे घर, उसके बाद सब स्टोरी पूरा उसके ऊपर ये फुल मैजिकल, एफरन रेस यहाँ पे, कलरफुल अम्ब्रेलाज आर फॉलिंग फ्रॉम स्काई, देन कैंडीज आर फॉलिंग, रेनफॉल ऑफ कैंडीज, देन या इसमें कलेक्ट कंप्लीट नहीं है.
This is a very good batch, very fresh ideas and good work. I like. It is very inspiring for us also.
Wonderful work. I'm very glad you started presenting on time.
It's a simple pop-up.